Narito po ang mga mag-aaral na nasanib ng karangalan mula sa Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand.
Meron ako.
Christian C. Reyes, Best in Sports Awardee. Prince Carl M. Sarmiento, may karangalan, Best in Sports Awardee, SSLG Member Service Awardee. Joman O. Urbano, Best in Sports Awardee. Aubrey Joy G. Ibarra, may karangalan, Best in Sports Awardee, pinakamahusay sa Filipino. Princess Ana M. Paderes, may mataas na karangalan, 10th place highest pointer Provincial Secondary School Press Conference in District 3, Best in English, Best in Science, pinakamahusay sa Filipino, Best in Mathematics, SSLG Member Service Awardee, Best in Journalism, Class President Recognition, second place in editorial writing, English at the Division Press Conference in individual writing categories for private, elementary, and secondary school, a co-curricular culminating activity for optimizing the journalistic skills of learners.